It's September 2007. Randy Pausch, a computer science professor at Carnegie Mellon, steps onto the stage to deliver a lecture everyone assumes is just another inspirational talk. But Randy knows this one's different. Diagnosed with terminal pancreatic cancer, his lecture isn't a hypothetical last, it's the last. Yet instead of despair, he dives headfirst into childhood dreams, obstacles, and one unexpected lesson about how to truly live. What if your last message was also your greatest lesson? Before you can change the game, you've got to know what game you're playing. Randy's childhood dreams weren't just kid stuff. They shaped every choice he'd ever make. Randy's big dream? Work at Disney Imagineering. As a kid, he sent letters, drew designs, and even built a mini virtual reality setup to prove his passion. Years later, he got his chance, helping design the Aladdin VR ride, turning fantasy into reality at Disney's Florida park. That dream wasn't pipe dream fluff. It was the blueprint for his life's work. Think of your dreams like a compass in a dense forest. They don't bulldoze a path for you, but they keep you from wandering aimlessly into dead ends. Randy called them enabling dreams, a principle meaning dreams push you forward, giving your life focus and resilience when obstacles hit. Randy's secret wasn't just chasing wild fantasies, it was making those dreams real in practical ways. He showed that dreams aren't just for kids or daydreamers, they're actionable blueprints. By pursuing childhood dreams seriously, you carve out a meaningful, joy-filled life. The surprise? Adults who live their childhood dreams laugh louder and live fuller. Here's the twist: obstacles aren't dead ends. Randy flips the narrative on adversity, showing how it's actually the birthplace of breakthroughs. Randy calls challenges brick walls, painful barriers that feel like full stops. But every brick wall he hit, from rejections at Disney to cancer diagnosis, was proof he cared enough to keep pushing. At one point, a mentor told him, "Brick walls are there to stop the people who don't want it badly enough." So those walls, they separated winners from quitters. Obstacles aren't just blockers, they're teachers. Randy compared them to life's unexpected GPS reroutes. When his pancreatic cancer diagnosis hit like a ton of bricks, it forced him to prioritize what really mattered, refining his focus on legacy, family, and living fully within shrinking time. Obstacles refocus your lens sharply, forcing growth you never imagined. Randy wasn't afraid to fail in public or look foolish. In computer science and life, he saw failing fast as essential. Like a software developer debugging code, he'd poke, prod, and tweak until he got it right. This gritty trial and error mindset turned setbacks into stepping stones and made failure a route map to success. With time slipping away, Randy's lecture turns from lessons to legacy. It's about more than achievements. It's the footprint you leave on other people's lives. Randy often said, "Time is all you have, and you may find one day that you have less than you think." Facing hours, not years, he chose to invest his seconds wisely, deeply valuing moments with family, friends, and students. Like a tight budget, he spent time on what mattered, guarding it fiercely against distractions or regrets. One of Randy's core ideas: help others achieve their dreams. As a professor and mentor, he poured energy into enabling his students' goals. Think of it like lighting candles from one flame. Your own dream's flame brightens when you help others ignite theirs. He proved legacy isn't just your story, it's the stories you help others write. Instead of a sorrowful farewell, Randy's lecture sparkled with humor, gratitude, and zest. This infectious joy wasn't denial, it was a choice, a declaration to live fully till the very end. His unexpected insight: facing death can free you to live more authentically and passionately than ever before. Remember that lecture hall in September 2007? Randy started sharing a secret. Our dreams matter, obstacles teach, and how we spend time is everything. His last message wasn't about dying, but about living with reckless, intentional joy. So here's your shot. What childhood dream are you dusting off today? Pick one, pour real energy into it, and watch your life change. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.